Wagwan guys, what's up everybody? Welcome to Migori Town. Welcome to Migori Town guys. Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Welcome to Rosette Experience YouTube channel. And today I'm in Migori Town. So basically the price of anything that I'm gonna purchase, it's going to be, it can be plus or minus certain amount. So guys, this is Migori roundabout. So in this particular video, I'm going to buy sand. So recently I relocated to the village to do a couple of projects, and today I'm really happy because it is happening. The first and the many project that I'm gonna be doing in the village. And today is a very big day because I'm going to purchase sand. So the reason why I was saying any commodity that you buy for construction will be a plus or minus a certain amount. For example, I think I've just gotten a lorry here. I just want to ask. Yeah, I think I've gotten a lorry here right away. That lorry doesn't have the hydraulics, so let me keep on. So I'm going to bring sand for the construction of my parents' house guys. So if you are new to this particular channel, recently I relocated to the village and I've been doing a couple of projects in the village guys, and one of them was done, that is drilling the borehole, and the second one was to making bricks. We are in the process of making bricks, and today I'm really happy because I'm in Migori Town and I've come here to go and buy sand for the construction. So in front of me I'm seeing a yellow lorry. I think let me go and ask how much they're gonna charge me to bring sand to our home. So this is Migori Town guys, and in front of me is the bridge. I don't know whether it has been reconstructed again. Let me try to find out the prices. Welcome to Migori Town. Niaje? Apa engineer? Hanya yudo lori manya umuna kuwe.
Lori manya umuna kuwe.
Oh. Oh, majiso ni okinwa no. Oh. Nikechada penja nema konya umuna kuwe.
Miami adeka moka beach. Adeka Morocco beer.
Oduogo.
Oduogo kaweka.
Koso dhi budho. Ko budho.
Odhi budho. En bang'e no koro en mane wang'ayo beer. Oko budho. Wuon tipa. Odhi hotel kaje. Ok odhi budho. Bere kama tin. Ora chupo ka sana.
So guys, this is Migori Town. For sure the bridge has not been made. You can see the motorbikes are just the ones that are passing. You can see. Which means I think the vehicles are using another route.
Yenye tulikuwa tunawauzia, lakini leo tumewaletea kitu inajulikana kama projector grass na tunakuwekea kwa bei nafuu, tunakuwekea kwa shilingi 100 tu.
Guys, welcome to
tunakurudisha kwa shilingi
Migori Town. And here the bridge, as you can see, has not been made. It's very dangerous. It's very, very dangerous. No vehicle is passing. So guys, I'm heading to a place where you can get the big trucks for carrying sand. No, I'm not gonna pass here, man. That's the state of the bridge, and it has now taken like months. This is Migori Town. This is the main highway. I think Migori Town has really improved in terms of infrastructure. And here you can see the famous Bansi wholesale supermarket. And beside it you can see the Marwa hardware. I think so today is on a Saturday. I think the economy has just reduced. Like there are not so many people in town because let's say the Seventh-day Adventists are in church right now. So this is how Migori Town looks like on a Saturday. What's the time? At noon. There's a restaurant here. That's one day that There's a day that we came. When you come to Migori, try this restaurant next to this, just below this building here. Yeah, this restaurant here. It's called what's the name? Now something. It's a perfect spot for a date. Nas, yes. Nas restaurant. A very good spot for a date. Loud music. Yeah, so in Migori, if you want trucks that carry sand, you come all the way aduogo abiro sani. Okay. And in this journey of construction, I just want to document all my experience. Like he was trying to say, maybe I can connect with someone, you know, try to call someone who knows someone who brings sand. So he was trying to tell me like I can consider doing that, but the moment so let's try to find out how much. Like these trucks have hydraulics. Baba, Charlan. Hey. Aduh aku ya. Banyak lo dia. Ini Winyarago. Orphanage. Kalau Aruba. Ini Winyarago Orphanage. Ini don juga yo mati.
Kalau Rubagal.
Ero.
Ini go kon. Bomba moro ni kanyo orphanage mama choni kanyo.
Ero mano, kuro kanyo. Kuro
kama ni mbele kanyo.
Kuro werigi mambele cha. Kuro machiene ni.
Oya ni.
Uwa mekanya. Ten kuro mabel.
Iya, bel. Otero ga idi.
Oi.
Di choga cho. Ini go lagi. Di choga cho.
Angom nyisa bei. Ida ni ria apa?
Kari ini. Nega punya kama be. Dongeni maju mal. Kan mangi upoi pesa na mall ke mama. Tes nega pun. Icha me gidi mangen. Ini ni yang ke.
Cuma ibein ke hydraulic dia. Kilo rawu mate. So when we reach at the site where the sand is being harvested, I just found a new experience that was very strange to me. How they harvest sand, the whole experience, how people get into water and come out with a bucket of sand. And what shocked me is, can you imagine just a one bucket cost 20 Kenya shillings? Like 20 Kenya shillings. So if you must get 100 shillings, it means you must go there 8 times. Sana wachuri lori mbole ngane.
Karachi tuwong konya kipimot. Ini bugo no. Aya, siapa nayo? Siapa yang bale? Bale. Adong podo ada medachiel.